Hello, so today we'll be going over some tools in Common App. So this is our Common App dashboard. We have some schools on our list. If we wanted to search for different schools, we would go under college search. We can type in Bucknell. It's on Common App, so we would click to add it to our list. So now if we go to My Colleges, we see that it's right here. We click on Bucknell. So each school will have their own questions that they need you to answer. And some schools also have a writing supplement. So the University of Arizona is an example of that. So eventually, in order for your schools to be submitted, everything needs to have a green check mark in this section, as well as the Common App sections itself all need to finish with a green check mark in order to be ready for submission. If we click on the writing tab, we'll find that it gives us a list of some schools that require the essay and some schools that don't require it. Regardless of requirements, it's highly recommended that you do submit an essay. And these are the different prompts that Common App provides you with in order to write your essay, which will be put right in this box with a max of 650 characters. So once we go back to the My Colleges tab, this section here is very important, the recommenders and FERPA, where you will see the list of the teachers you recommended, if you have any outside recommenders, as well as signing and waiving the FERPA, which is you only have to do that one time. So here in the My Colleges tab, you want this list to match your Naviance, but that can only be done if you match your accounts on Naviance. So on Naviance, this red pink banner will come up with this big match button, and you have to match your accounts so your Common App looks the same as your Naviance, and you can keep better track of your list, your deadlines, and the status of your letters of recommendation. Okay, so we'll just go back to the dashboard, and then here you can also just have a big picture window of your status and progress of your applications. I hope all this information was helpful, and thank you for watching.